Hello YouTubers, I'm out here in the shop. It's Saturday morning. I'm just enjoying a fun project out here. I'm working on a 95 wide glide that just came in, and I kind of fell in love with the bike. The gentleman said make it run because he wants to sell it, and I told him I'll just buy it. So we're working on it. We're working out a deal. And I actually went to pull the carb off of it, and actually the carb fuel pickup broke off, which is very common on these older bikes that have sat here forever. I did order in the replacement full brass pet cock there, and we'll get that on there. But in the meantime, I just ordered in one of these new aftermarket carburetors. It's brand new, just put it on. I've had super good luck with these, and this baby hasn't been tagged since 2016, so it's been off the road for 9 years. I did check the oil. She's ready to go. I'm going to turn the gas on. I just put a test tank on it because I'm still working on its gas tank. It was kind of lacquery, and I'm not quite done with it. I'm watching my fuel filter. She's filling up. I did spend a couple hours setting this carb up. I actually pulled all the jets out of the old carb and matched them up in this new one, and I set the float level. It wasn't quite right, but other than that, it should fire right up. Let's have a look over here and see if the squirt gun's working. I see no squirt gun. But we'll try it on full choke. Maybe I just need to pull some gas up into it. 16,000 original miles. that's really promising. I really don't care for the way those pipes sound. Those are hooker headers, old school stuff, and if I do end up owning a bike, I'll probably put a set of Vance and Hines on there, because that's what I'm running on everything else, and that's what I like. I'd like to thank y'all for watching.